What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Crypto Novice, your number one source for everything in the world of cryptocurrency news. We are on Crypto Slate. Today we're talking about the Central Bank of Nigeria approving the cNGN Stablecoin to pilot in February amidst the CBDC woes. But before we get into the video, as always, I just want to say that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence and research before you invest in any cryptocurrency or NFT. Remember, these videos are for educational purposes only. Please keep leaving comments and help us help others make smart financial decisions. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell for all notifications, please. Alright, so Central Bank of Nigeria, we all knew this was coming because the CBDC was rejected in Nigeria initially, which is the central bank digital currency. So this is another attempt at thwarting financial freedom, okay? This is definitely going to be a centralized stablecoin, and I would stay far, far, far away from this, okay? As Nigeria is preparing to launch their CBDC, as they announced it, this would have been just January the 5th of 2024, so just 5 short days ago they were talking about this, and the Central Bank of Nigeria is approving the Africa Stablecoin consortium to pilot the cNGN Stablecoin within its regulatory sandbox. So the fact that it's being regulated is not good, and I mean, this is an initiative that marks a key moment in the evolution of financial developments in the country. I don't know how you guys feel about that, but I don't feel very good about that for the people of Nigeria, because they said, no, we don't want a CBDC, we don't want people to control our money, and this is just another attempt. And what they're going to likely do is make this look like it's on a decentralized blockchain. They're likely going to say, hey, you know, this isn't CBDC, don't worry, guys. But again, you have to be smart. And these people, I hope they reject this as well, because the ASC is bringing together a group of leading financial institutions that are going to have these fintech innovations and like all this blockchain stuff, and specialists coming in aiming to redefine and enhance the security, which I don't agree with, like I said. And the cNGN is going to be a regulatory compliant stablecoin pegged in the Nigerian Naira and is backed by Naira, which is the CBDC that they were trying to launch. And again, I don't think this is a good idea, and it reserves in selected commercial banks. Okay, so again, it's going to be tied to the banks, not on a blockchain. And its launch is scheduled for February 27th, 2024, and it aims to facilitate the rapid, cost, and effective global remittances. It's going to streamline commerce and trade and open new investment avenues. But again, very nefarious. And as this introduction is coming, and it's envisioning to transform the Naira into a more dynamic tool for international financial exchanges. But I don't think it's going to be good. And, you know, the funny thing is, it's a notable precursor to the cNGN initiative, and the Zero Hedge reported that back in May of 2023, that CBN introduction of the eNaira CBDC in 2021 faced significant public resistance. So I think that's going to happen again with this, as they're just going to keep trying. Now they're going to try to go after cryptocurrencies, and we'll see. See, they're aiming at transitioning the country into a cashless society. It's right there. And the eNaira rollout saw less than 0.5% adoption, and I think that's the same thing that's going to happen here with this stablecoin. And they did try to put limits on cash withdrawals, as you could see in the article here, which is kind of terrible. In fact, that is really terrible. And of course, they're going to say, well, this is a key feature. See, they're saying it's a key feature, and it's going to potentially simplify international transactions. So they're going to mask this as, hey, you know what, when you use cNGN, it's going to make sending money to your families a lot easier around the world, or whatever. Of course, there's going to be a currency conversion rate, international transfer fees, the SC is going to be involved, and they're going to be trying to push it as beneficial as possible for remittances, something that it states is crucial for a financial flow in many Nigerian families. And the cNGN promises to make the transactions almost instantaneous. So again, I mean, I wouldn't do this. I don't think this is a good idea, and this is really not good for the people of Nigeria. So I hope if you have any people in Nigeria that you know, get this out to them. this video out to them because they really need to be aware of what they're going to try in their country. And furthermore, the cNGN is positioned to impact international trade by enabling swift and cost-effective business bullshit across blah 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 borders. Global is reportedly to enhance Nigeria's participation in the global economy. See, this has nothing to do with the people. This is all about the government benefiting from having this. More control over the people, more tyranny, things of that nature. And, you know, for Nigerian freelancers and entrepreneurs, the cNGN is going to be the potential to enable them to receive payments from international clients directly and quickly. Yeah, I believe that. And it's going to apparently circumvent traditional banking processes and fees, and the ESC believes this capacity could lead to greater financial inclusivity and mobility for Nigerian professionals, providing them with easier access to the global market. So again, I don't know how much of this is going to be adopted. Let's hope not much. And the cNGN is reportedly built upon principles of reliability, innovation, security, and transparency, and scalability to ensure that the stablecoin can effectively meet the needs of a diverse range of users, from individual remittances to a large-scale trade entrepreneur. The ASC is stating that stablecoin will align with the broader goals of enhancing payment systems, paves the way for further advancements in CBDC utilization, and it's going to incorporate advanced technologies like API and open banking. So eNARIA versus cNGN, and there isn't much of a difference between the two. Then eNARIA is directly issued and managed by the CBN. It was designed to boost financial inclusion, payment systems and efficiency, and broader economic development in Nigeria. The eNARIA was also going to feature NFC, contactless payment functionality, programmability features on the other hand, and the cNGN stablecoin, overseen by the ASC, is a collaboration of Nigerian banks and fintech operators. It is interoperable with strategic blockchains like Banu and BNB Smart Chain and all that other crap, with plans to extend compatibility to minor blockchain networks. So see, they're trying to infiltrate decentralized blockchains with the cNGN. So, I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think of this? Because this just sounds to me like they're going to try to keep bringing in CBDCs. The eNARIA is still operational despite facing challenges such as slow adoption, lack of widespread access, privacy concerns. Central Bank of Nigeria continues to support and promote the use of eNARIA, even though nobody's using it, so that's a lie. There's no way that's happening. And the CBN has been working on changes to the eNARIA model since July of 2023 to encourage more use of the digital currency. Well, when you've got a 0.5% adoption rate, do you really think that the cNGN is going to be any better? Do you think these people are gullible? And they're just going to go, okay, yeah, let's just give away all our financial freedom and let you guys take over my bank account and tell me what I can spend my money on? No. The cNGN is going to flop, in my opinion, and it's not going to do anything. These people know what's going on with the New World Order and the global elites and everything that's happening with the attempt of Agenda 2030, and this initiative could pave the way for more efficient, secure, and inclusive financial transactions, both commercially and internationally, without a reliance on CBDCs. So it's still going to be tied to the elites. Like, this is all about centralization of a cryptocurrency. So that's not what we want in the cryptocurrency community. We want decentralization. So get the word out about this video. The cNGN in Nigeria, they're going to try to push more tyranny there with their financial system, so get this out to people. That's going to do it for today's video here on The Crypto Novice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.